Alright, y'all, so I'm going to show you this tool. It's called InVideo, and I'm going to clone my voice to use in this video. I've been using it for a while. You can see all the videos that I made with it. And you'll see in this video, so all the way back since Christmas. That's a Christmas video? Yeah. See in this video, I had some technical difficulties, but it's the first time that I had a problem with it. I don't know if I'll push it to the limits. I'll report back to you later on that. I did get in touch with support, and they said, nah, there is no limit. You can edit as much as you want. But I turned what was a 3-minute video into almost 10 minutes because I did more research and I added in more content and more footage, and I just pulled from everywhere and I changed the script, all kind of stuff. And yeah, it was like 10 minutes by the time I finished. By the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you the finished product without my edits. But you'll see why I wanted to edit it, because I'm going to give it a prompt and it's going to come up with the entire script for a video. But that video was only 3 minutes. It was okay, but I wanted the video to match more. First of all, I wanted different types of content, more stuff that's relevant to you guys and people I wanted to target for the video. So I wanted to be more relevant. So it was too pie in the sky and general, and I wanted more specifics and more practical applications. So, I gave it my own stuff as a script, and still it didn't come up with good video. So then I went out and got other video pieces to add in, and yeah, I think I just blew the program up. But anyway, at the end, I'm going to show you the original video that it came with, and you'll see why one of the reasons I say don't worry about AI replacing you. The more creative you are and the more you get ahead of this and you learn how to use AI, which I'm working on the course for that, but the more you learn how to use AI, you play with it, don't run from it, then AI is only going to replace people who are doing things that are repetitive and predictable and lack the need for creativity. You know, you always have a position. I mean, if you're paying attention, there's new positions coming about because of AI. All you got to do is make sure you're able to qualify for something like that. But anyway, let's get into the video. This video is really about me uploading my voice to use in these videos. If you're interested in me showing you the whole process of how this works, then I'll do that video. But a lot of this footage I had recorded a long time ago, and I wanted to finally go ahead on and use it. It is interesting. It does show you how to use your voice and show you what it sounds like. So let's watch the video, and don't forget at the end I'm going to show you the original video. One of the great features that InVideo offers is to clone your voice. So just go to your dashboard or where it says create a video, add voice, submit a recording of at least 30 seconds. Mention. Now, if you don't have high quality recording equipment, Audacity is a free program you can use. You can use Audition, and you can improve your recording with this app, Adobe Podcast. I mean, I'm going to see how it does using the regular laptop mic. I decided I would record it on my iPhone because the computer is actually loud. The fan is over there, and hopefully this will knock some of it out. It says 30 seconds to record my voice. I give InVideo AI the permission to use my voice in this workspace. I give InVideo AI the permission to use my voice in this workspace. Pause in between sentences like you normally would. I'm going to read this book that I wrote called How to Find Happiness. Oh, I suppose we got to start it over because I forgot what I was using the phone for. Delete that. Let's go. Where to find happiness? So many people waste precious time and money searching for happiness. They end up married to the wrong person, following the wrong dreams, doing time in prison, and even supporting funeral homes as a result of the search. Search for happiness, that is. Happiness is easy enough to find. Some of us haven't been taught where to look. Others once knew where and have forgotten. You find happiness first by finding you. We have to determine who we are and why we are here. It can be an interesting process and exploration. I give NVIDIA AI the permission to use my voice in this workspace. Use high quality recording equipment. I was looking in the wrong place. It's in here. It says make sure you're using high quality recording equipment. I just used the iPhone and just the raw audio from the iPhone. But like I said, you can use those other apps. If for some reason it kicks it out, which I don't know if it does that or not, I imagine if it's bad enough that it will. But if they say the quality is not good enough, then upload it to editing software for audio and just process it, make it better, and upload it again. But unless you have an ancient cell phone, your audio is probably going to be good. Here, I'm just writing the prompt that I'm going to use for NVIDIA to create the video. And you see how I have Herbie's voice. You name your voice and make sure, because I could say Herbie's calm voice or Herbie's soft voice. So I can do different types of voices for different applications, you know what I'm saying? Because as you can see, business owners, professional, YouTube. Let's see what we got. You can make a video for all different types of things. So you might want to alter your voice based on your target audience for the video. Let's see what we got. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your business branding and marketing? In the ever-evolving world of business, AI is no longer a futuristic concept, but an integral part of effective and efficient operations. Is that not amazing?
Coca-Cola. On Monday, the sugar water giant has dropped a new site that invites you to harness AI tools like OpenAI's DALL-E and GPT systems to create art and new designs with some of the brand's most recognizable images and icons.
Well, apparently, maybe there's a limit to the amount of changes that you can make, because I seem to be in this loop where I can't go forward. The last amount of changes I made probably will put it about 7.5 minutes. But I've been trying to get the changes to take place for a half an hour and it's not working. Now, I've done this before plenty of times. I assume that this is an isolated incident. Nevertheless, we do indeed have complications. Houston, we have a problem. But I will come back to you and let you know what happens. I'm thinking I'm going to have to, let me try something. I've done this already before, but let me do it on video so you can see. A lot of times when you're stuck in something, doing a refresh, a reload will help you out. And all you got to do is right click, just for the people who don't know, and do a reload. You can also go up here and do a refresh. Now that has, all right, this is what I'm going to do. That hasn't been working. It was usually just start the process again. This time I'm going to do something different. I'm going to go ahead and undo it and redo the edit again. Alright. So I'm going to have to redo the entire edit again. And like I said, I changed so much stuff. It probably kicked it over 7 minutes. So I'm going to get back to it again, because I got to leave in a minute to go to the gym. Alright, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to stop it. Matter of fact, I'm just going to give you the end result because I can't keep recording all of this. Real quick, I'm rushing. Let me just give you this advice so you don't end up having to do what I did. So All of this is what I added, and all of this is what I added the last time. I added a lot of other stuff, other edits, but on this edit I did all that. So what I recommend you doing is saving it in a document. That way you don't have to try to remember what you wrote and oh shucks. All right, let's try it again. See if we have progress. Meanwhile, I got to get ready to go. I'll let you know what happened. Imagine a world where productivity skyrockets by a staggering 80%. Sounds far-fetched, not when artificial intelligence, or AI, steps into the picture. Yes, you heard it right. According to a report by Accenture, AI has the potential to increase business productivity by up to 80%. That's a game-changing statistic. Now, you might be wondering, I like the way you said game-changing statistics. So that's good. I like that. How does AI achieve this? Well, it's all about efficiency and precision. AI algorithms can analyze data and predict trends fast. I say data, not data, but okay, whatever. Faster and more accurately than any human. And that's the other thing. People actually like listening to these videos because it's interesting because you get a chance to see, all right, well, how is this going to turn out? You know, what is it like? And when you hear different things like that, like for me, when I first started using it months ago, it irked me and I figured I need to do editing and change it until they get it right. I used to go back and do it and spell it a certain way to try to get the computer to enunciate it or pronounce it in the correct way. And I've learned that you don't want to do that. Just let it ride, because what happens is, one, it's like rewarding for the people who are actually watching it to see what are the discrepancies and what issues are going to come with the video. If it's perfect, you miss some of the ingredients that influence a person to want to watch it. I think you lose some of the desire that people will have to watch the video. The other thing is, people comment on stuff like that. And the commenting, if you're doing a YouTube channel or you're posting a video anywhere, then engagement is important. So when people comment on your video, don't matter what the comment is, if the platform sees that there is engagement, then that's better for the people who are uploading the videos. And it's better for everybody, because that can, with that, more people see the video, then the creator is also more influenced to keep creating videos. So don't overcorrect your content. That's one of the things that I talk about as far as growing your channel, which is another course I'm creating. They can automate time-consuming tasks, freeing up your team to focus on strategic, creative initiatives. As Andrew Ng, co-founder of Google Brain and former chief scientist at Baidu, once said, AI is the new electricity. Just as electricity transformed numerous industries 100 years ago, AI is now poised to do the same. It's a tool, a catalyst, and when wielded correctly, it can propel businesses into unprecedented levels of productivity and profitability. Take the example of IBM Watson, a question-answering AI system. Watson can understand and respond to natural language, making it an invaluable tool for customer service. Imagine having Watson handle customer inquiries, freeing up your service team to focus on complex, personalized interactions. Another industry expert, Kai-Fu Lee, the founder of Sinovation Ventures and a leading voice in AI, states, "The business value of AI springs from its ability to understand, learn, predict, adapt, and operate autonomously. Essentially, AI can continually learn and adapt to your business needs, operating seamlessly in the background. AI can streamline your business operations, reduce human error, and provide insightful data analysis. It can revolutionize your marketing strategies, personalizing customer experiences like never before. With AI, you can target your audience more effectively, thereby increasing your return on investment. Consider this: AI tools like chatbots can engage your customers 24/7, offering instant responses and solutions. They can handle hundreds of inquiries simultaneously, something a human team could never accomplish. Now think about AI-driven data analysis. AI can sift through vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human. It can identify patterns, trends, and insights that would otherwise go unnoticed. This kind of invaluable information can drive your business strategy and decision-making, leading to increased sales and profitability. So as we move deeper into the 21st century, it becomes clear that AI is not just a luxury, but a necessity for businesses wanting to thrive. It's time to embrace this technological revolution. Businesses. To harness the power of AI and to propel your business into a future of unparalleled success and productivity. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So, get ready to embrace AI in your business strategy and watch your productivity soar. I like it. I like it better than I did before. So what do y'all think? What do y'all think? This is the original video. That's before I did all of the editing that I was doing to it. I think I probably added in a couple of lines here and there, but other than that, pretty much exactly what NVIDIA came up with. It's kind of cool, huh?